Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have an outlet 2010 Triumph Thunderbird with ABS. This cruiser has 46,600 miles on it roughly and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. Bike is nice and clean. I haven't found any type of tip over damage. Tires on it have some tread still left on them, but are starting to cup and show some weather cracking. We've got highway lights. We've got a quick release clear windscreen with clear lower air deflectors. And as you can see on the windscreen here, they over tightened the hardware. So we've got some cracks on it there and on the other side. I'll show you as we go around. Highway bars, footboards for the driver, footboards for the passenger, a tank bib with pouch, Mustang seats for both the driver and the passenger, leather saddlebags, and a passenger backrest and luggage rack combo, which I believe is lockable. Thought I saw a key down here. Yep, right underneath here. Back tire as well has got some tread on it, but it's starting to get a flat patch and show some cupping. So, decisions. Probably really should get new tires. Leather saddlebag, passenger backrest and luggage rack, Mustang seats, tank bib with pouch, footboards for the passenger, footboards for the driver with a heel toe shifter, and the highway bars again, and lower clear air deflectors. You can see here we've got a little tougher to see on this side, but you can see same thing, over tightened the hardware. Alright, 46,604 is what's on it. Set the camera down here. This 2010 Triumph Thunderbird with ABS is an outlet motorcycle, which means it will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.